Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. Take another great product for your home. And this one, these are products I absolutely love to get. Not that I don't love to get all products, but, you know, I'm kind of a neatnik, right? I like things clean. And I find something that's really annoying is cleaning little tiny tight spaces, whether that's cleaning my shower, cleaning my bathtub, cleaning the hot tub, or cleaning around the car, right? Different areas of the car, the door jams. You know, it's always a pain. And so when the company that I'm going to work with today is called 8K Helfer. Some of these names, I swear. As always, links in the description. This is one of their cleaning brushes. Now this looks like a giant toothbrush. So again, disclaimer, don't use this on your teeth. This is much too hard. But this is a fantastic tool. So what this basically is exactly what you think it is, right? Exactly what it looks like. This is a giant ultrasonic brush. And what's really handy about this is that this allows you to clean really tight to reach spaces with kind of ultrasonic vibration. Now, when I first got this, they reached out and they were like, oh, you know, we have this brush. You know, I've reviewed other brushes before. They're great. But what I find is that when I'm in the shower, you know, and this might be a little too much for you, right? But I find that I do my cleaning when I'm in the shower, right? So I will, you know, turn on the hot water and clean around the grout, clean around all these different areas. But I find that because my shower isn't like a gigantic, you know, huge shower, it's just like a basic standard walk-in, you know, those larger brushes, those larger, like for instance, the one I'm going to review next, it's just a little bit too big to kind of manipulate when you're in the shower and the door is closed and the shower is running. So this is perfect. This one really caught my eye when they reached out. And so what do you get with this? So basically, again, you know, when I first got it, I thought it was more of like a spin brush. It's not, but again, that's not something that should dissuade you. Ultrasonic kind of a vibration works extremely well for cleaning grout and cleaning those little tight, kind of hard to reach areas. And so basically I have batteries in this already. I'm just going to turn it on. And you can see it just kind of oscillates back and forth. You know, and you can definitely feel the vibration. And it definitely, I would say it's, if you're used to using like an ultrasonic toothbrush, those vibrations are really, really minor. With this definitely turns and rotates and oscillates more than just vibrating, right? So it's a little bit more than an ultrasonic cleaner. Although if you were to buy one, you might think that right when you turn it on, but it's actually oscillating back and forth. Now I'd probably say it's oscillating a good 3 to 4 millimeters back and forth. So really, there's really no benefit to actually having it spin. It's oscillating back and forth. That's going to work extremely well for cleaning really just about any surface. So what do you get with this? So only downside, I'd say, I guess it's kind of a plus and a negative. I don't know, you know, I don't know how great this is on batteries, but it does take 4 AAA batteries. You basically just pop the bottom off and you get your batteries right there. I don't know how long they last or how much clean runtime you're going to get. We'll read about this, see if it mentions it. So that's, you know, sometimes a good thing if you've got an endless supply of batteries, but also could be a bad thing if you go through batteries often and you use this often. Having to constantly buy batteries can kind of add up, right? But you won't know until you get it. You don't get a carrying case, you just get a cardboard box, which is a little bit unfortunate. I think it would have been nice to just pay a little bit more and get like a nice little case, but not a deal breaker at all. To take the heads off, you basically just twist and you pop a new head on. So this is sort of like their smaller, I'd say dime size cleaning brush. Then of course you have sort of like a corner brush, which is kind of as angled, I'd say like 45-degree angles there. You have a this appears to be like a softer brush. So it looks like this black and white one has like a little bit larger bristles. This is going to be for something maybe a little bit more delicate. Not sure what that would be. You can see. Then of course they have, this was probably one I'll use often, a larger. This is the same texture as the other one, a little bit rougher, right? Just a larger brush. We'll pop that one on. You see how that one looks. You can see. Pretty cool. Probably use this one for the shower. And of course you have this attachment here, which is basically just like a kind of a Velcro pad, and they give you a, I'm not sure what this one is. It's almost like a Brillo pad. So this might be handy if you're cleaning like a stainless steel sink or something where you need something extra abrasive. I wouldn't recommend using this on like a plastic or fiberglass shower, but you know, again, you know your stuff. And then of course you get kind of a lanyard. I won't be using this. There's no reason to really have this on your wrist, but you know, they figured they'd include it. What else do you get with this thing here? Let me just see what they specifically state. They just state here that this thing runs at 60 times per second. It's a oscillating head, 60 times per second. And it says here 4 AA batteries will, 95%. It says oscillates 90 times per second, 4 AA batteries not included, for up to 180 minutes of continuous work time. That's pretty good. That's more than I thought it would be. So whether we'll have to put that to the test. Again, I think the more, if you press on it harder and you're making it work more, that might be less. But again, that's still pretty darn good. I'm not going to get involved in all the other specifics as far as size. It is 11 inches. Weight doesn't really matter in my opinion. Whether or not they think it's a great gift or not doesn't matter. Noise to me for your cleaning doesn't matter. But if you're super sensitive, 77 dBs. The important thing is that IPX7 water resistance, which is great for taking it in the shower, getting this thing sloppy wet. I don't really recommend you dunk this, although it does have an O-ring seal on the bottom. You probably can. Just kind of keep that, you know, I don't recommend you getting this for your hot tub and dunking it under the water. Although, I mean, they say that, you know, whatever the IPX7 waterproofing, they use that terminology, waterproofing. Nothing is waterproof. I like to use water resistance. But that's about it. I think this is a great product. And there's not too many out there that I've seen that are this size. Price point of this thing is killer. Right now, you get a $5 off coupon. It's only 20 bucks. So 15 bucks to add this to your arsenal of cleaning supplies, cleaning tools is great. If you're a detail guy, cleaning around your door jambs, cleaning around, for instance, like I always have a hard time cleaning like the hood cowl, and of course like around the trunk. This, you know, at end of the year, by the time you're through winter and the rain and all that stuff, you get all this kind of algae buildup. Yeah, you can use a hand brush, but this definitely makes easy work of tough jobs like that. So cleaning around like an engine, fantastic. So great tool. This is going to get used a whole hell of a lot. And it looks like also you save 5% on 2 items. So pretty great. Pretty great stocking stuffer. I need to pick up a couple of these for Christmas. Every year I say I'm going to plan early, and I'm always a last minute kind of guy when it comes to Christmas shopping. So my mom has been mentioning cleaning the grout in their bathroom for a while now. So I'm definitely going to pick up her. I'm going to see if she likes it, and if she likes it, I'm going to buy her one. So I think she'll definitely use it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Great product. I love when I get really random products like this because they get used. And, you know, it's funny, you know, there's so many things we look at online. I'm always looking at watches and guns and all this other stuff, but like these really simple products that don't cost a lot, that can really aid in your cleaning or aid to better your life, you just kind of forget about it. And then I actually get them and I'm like, man, why didn't I buy that like years ago? This is such a great tool. So I think they're great. Again, I'm probably going to keep this one in my bathroom. It's small enough. Hopefully I don't forget and use it as a toothbrush, right? Ladies, don't use it as a face brush. This is not for that. This is abrasive. You're going to hurt yourself. But just a great, all joking aside, great product. And again, I don't think you guys will have any questions about it. But if you do, I'm here for you. Have a great day. Take care.